Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Smallz, the comedian here. And then, guys, thank you so much to everyone who's been subscribing and following my channel. Guys, I'm just chilled at home, and then I decided to just go live with this one and share with you good news. So, as you all know, that Barcelona lost 8-2. And of course, guys, this morning I was browsing through my emails and I discovered that I've been appointed to be the new Barcelona head coach. So, guys, what's going to be happening is that I'll be leaving the country so then to go stay in Canada for the next 2 weeks. And of course, that is where I'll be buying my clothes. Probably I'll be going to Italy and then I'll be going to Germany at the end of the day. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. Okay, guys, I also need to share with you that my first salary, I'll be getting paid $10 million US.
How kahle bosibonisa kahle ayikho yonke lento obuyishana lecingo umuntu asibanga labozidlali ngalento hey wena buyishana indlela le lephethe wena ukuthi nje imali lengaka sibanga labozidlali bangebele nale super yami le